Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation which is 4 to power x, this is equal to 72. What is the value of x? Now solution from here, we have 4 to power x, this is equal to 72. To solve for the value of x, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that we have log 4 to power x, this is equal to log 72. So we find that log 4 to power x, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property, then log 4 to power x becomes x log 4. This is equal to log 72. So let's divide both sides by log 4 and also here by log 4. So let's simplify here so that now x will be equal to log 72 divided by log 4. We can express 72 as 9 times 8. So this implies that x will be equal to log 9 times 8 divided by log 4. Now, log 9 times 8, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Now, applying this logarithm property, then this means that x is equal to log 9 divided by log 4 plus log 8 divided by log 4. So from here, we can express 9 as 3 to power 2, and we can express 8 as 2 to power 3. So this implies that x is equal to log 3 to power 2 divided by log 2 to power 2 plus log 8, which is log 2 to power 3 divided by log 4, which is log 2 to power 2. So applying the power rule property, here we have log 3 to power 2 divided by log 2 to power 2 plus log 2 to power 3 divided by log 2 to power 2. Now applying the power rule property, that is log a to power n, this can be expressed as n log a. Applying this power rule property, then this implies that x is equal to, this is 2 log 3 divided by 2 log 2, then plus log 2 to power 3, this becomes 3 log 2 divided by log 2 to power 2, this becomes 2 log 2. And therefore, let's simplify here. Log 2 and log 2 simplifies so that x is equal to 3 over 2 plus, that is, here we have 2 and 2 simplify, so we'll have log 3 divided by log 2. The next step is that log 3 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Now, let's apply this logarithm property so that now x is equal to 3 over 2 plus, now here we have log 3 to base 2. Now, this is the value of x. This is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Let's verify. So if you recall here, we entered 4 to power x. This is supposed to give us a value of 72. Let's substitute the value of x so that here we have 4 to power. Now this is 3 over 2 plus log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 72. We can express 4 basically as 2 to power 2. So substituting this, we'll have 2 to power 2 times x, which is 3 over 2 plus log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 72. So let's simplify here. So 2 and 2 simplifies. So here we have 2 to power 3 plus, here we have 2 times log 3 to base 2. So this is 2 log 3 to base 2, and this is supposed to give us a value of 72. Now, 2 to power 3 plus 2 log 3 to base 2, this is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n multiplied by a to power m. Applying this exponent property, then we have 2 to power 3 times 2 to power 2 log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 72. Now, 2 to power 3 here, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2, and this is equal to 8. So in this case, we'll have 8 multiplied by 2 to power 2 log 3 to base 2. This is the same thing as 2 to power log 3 squared to base 2, and this is supposed to give us a value of 72. So this implies that 2 to power log 3 to power 2 to base 2, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which this is supposed to give us a value of a. Now, applying this property, we have that 2 to power log 3 squared to base 2, this is the same thing as 3 to power 2. Now, we have 8 times 3 squared, which is 9. This is supposed to give us a value of 72. So 8 times 9, this is equal to 72, and this is equal to 72. So that implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x, which is 3 over 2 plus log 3 to base 2, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. Kindly subscribe.